This hot chicken wrap is perfect for cozy winter nights, warm, cheesy and full of flavour. Start with cooked, shredded chicken, nice and tender for the perfect filling. Add paprika, black pepper and garlic powder to build deep, smoky flavour. Mix in mayo and chilli sauce for creaminess with just the right heat. Lay the tortilla flat on the counter, ready to be filled. Add the spicy chicken filling right in the centre. Top it with chicken ham slices for extra savoury goodness. Now add lots of cheese because cheese makes everything better. Wrap it nice and tight to keep all that goodness inside. Brush the wrap with butter for extra crispiness. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes until golden. Flip halfway to make sure it cooks evenly. Look at that golden, crispy crust. So cheesy, so hot, and incredibly satisfying. This is the perfect winter comfort food. Would you try this hot chicken wrap? Let me know.